All right, here we go. Jeep Gladiator, Besttop, black diamond doors unboxing. As you can see right away, this is how the rear door box came. I haven't opened it yet. This is how it got delivered to the house. I haven't opened anything, so let's see what we got in here. This looks like the door lower here. Actually looks pretty nice. The handles will go here. It's got this stitching. Feels good. Velcro feels solid. Let's see what else we got. Here's this looks like the driver's side. Oh, looks good. A little quality control sticker there, or part sticker. We got handles on here. Looks like it's replaceable. Looks all right. Here's the tops. We've got some weather stripping. That's good. There is weather stripping on the bottom too. I've heard online they don't fit the best, but we're gonna find out today. We've got these little red protective caps. Everything's got some pretty heavy Velcro. Zippers are nice and smooth. Plastic's nice and clear. Here's our door hardware. A couple straps in here for something. Not sure what they are. I'll have to read the instructions on that. And these are the front doors. Probably not the best idea to cut with a knife. They are fabric, but just be careful. Front door hardware, a little more substantial than the rear. It feels a little heavier. Box is definitely packed nicer too, a little more organized, but this one's not broken. You can see the fronts have 3 connection pieces at the top piece of the window, where the rears only have 2. Zippers are nice and smooth. Yeah. The passenger side. You guys can note now there's no mirrors. I know I have to order some. This is my 3rd time ordering these, and it's been kind of a nightmare, but they're finally here. And yeah, everything matches. It feels good. They're not heavy, but they're not light. I mean, it doesn't take much to move them around.